So we will try to solve a problem. Right? So this is the problem. Find the reactions. Find the reactions. Okay. Suppose there is a UDL. The total length of the UDL is 2 meter. The value of the UDL is 20. So this Q equal to 20. Here Q is given as 20. And L is given as 2 meters. This is for UDL. Okay, UDL. So this is another upward force. So upward force what is the reaction? Okay. So let's say this point is A, let it be B. There are two possible reactions, VA, VB, HA, and this will be VB. This support can give one reaction to the beam. This support can give two reactions to the beam. Okay, so that is what we have to find. Now, UDL, first it is better to convert this UDL to point. Now, UDL point load again, we know that this can be replaced by a single load. Okay, this value of the single load will be Q times L, which is equal to 20 times 20 on UDL value, total length 2 on 40 kilonewton. Okay, and it should be at a distance of L by 2. L by 2 is E NT in L by 2. So this distance should be 2 by 2. So that is equal to 1 meter. Okay. 40 kilonewton load at 1 meter from this end. We convert it. So that means this diagram and the diagram which I am going to draw now both are same. Okay. Then my question will become little bit more easier for me to solve. Okay. You will understand that it is same as the problems of problem. The value of the load is Q into L, that is 40. Okay, and this distance is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter. So that means I will draw. So this distance will be from here 1 meter, this is 2 meter, so that will be 3 meters. So this will be 3 meters, and all other values we know. Ini namakku idinte reaction kandupidicha madi. For reaction kandupidikan we know that we have to use equilibrium. Okay, so summation of, so we will find reactions now. So let's say summation of all forces. Summation of all forces about x should be equal to 0 for equilibrium. And artham endana? X is equal to 0 and HA equal to 0. So this is because right hand side, so HA is the only force here. There is no horizontal force here. There is no horizontal force here. There is no horizontal force here. Okay. Now we know that summation of moment about any point equal to 0. Vertical force on the moment about any force is equal to 0. So clockwise positive, anti-clockwise positive. Okay. So let's take this point. I'll take A equal to 0. What is the moment about A? So it is this component, HA and VA component will be 0 because it is passing through this point. 40 into 3 is anti-clockwise. So I can write 40 times 3 with a minus sign because it is anti-clockwise. 5 times, what is this length? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the total length 8 and 18 is 7. So 5 times 7, it is anti-clockwise, so it is positive. Okay, then we have plus VB times 8 in the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, VB times clockwise. This force upward, so it is also anti-clockwise. This is positive. Okay, this should be equal to 0 because summation of all moments about A equal to 0. Because it is in equilibrium. So minus 120 plus 35 plus 8 VB equal to 0. Okay, so that means 8 VB equal to, so this is 120. Okay, so this is 120 minus 35 is 85. So minus 85 plus 8 Vp equal to 0. 8 Vp is equal to 85. Vp equal to 85 by 8. So it's 10.625. So all units are kilonewton, so this also will be kilonewton. Okay. So Vp the value getting. Now what we need? So 1, 2 equilibrium. Third equilibrium equation is summation of all forces in y direction should be equal to 0. We will consider up as positive. Okay. Now we have a VA here, that is positive. We have a 40 here, that is negative. We have a 5 here, that is positive. We have a Vp here, that is also positive. Equal to 0. Summation of all forces should be equal to 0. Okay. So we will substitute the value of Vp here. So VA minus 35 plus 10.625 equal to 0. Okay. So 35 minus 10.625, it is 24.375. So that means VA equal to 24.375 kilonewton. Okay. So VB, VA, HA, 3 values we have solved the problem. I hope this problem is simple for you. Okay. Basic idea is this UDL point out idea problem. So I think this is clear. I'll stop this.